Hi. Today we're gonna get ChatGPT to do an outline for an Airtable table database that you can use to collect leads. Hi, I'm Heather, and I build smart systems for modern landlords. So I have gone ahead and asked it to ChatGPT to create my field. So I'm going to copy and paste that into Omni. So we're just going to go into Omni. I have lots going on in there. Just give it a second. Start with Omni. So that's what we're going to do. It's going to give me a suggestion as to what I could build, um, but I don't need to have that. So I am just going to copy my own prompt. So I'm just going to ask it to build all those fields. So I am also going to say, ask, whoops, ask any clarifying questions and say build it. And it will. If it needs to, it will. And it'll add stuff too. It's funny. So you can see that it's at work there. It is getting ready to build my database. So I am actually building a quick quiz. When people answer that quiz, their information is going to end up in this Airtable database for me, um, so that I have leads all in one place. I can also have Airtable um, message me when, as soon as somebody um, answers the questions and I get a new lead, it'll email me, or um, I can get it to Slack message me or whatever uh, right away so that I can get back to people right away. You can also automate that further, um, and have it respond back to the lead saying somebody's getting back to you, or respond back with the quiz answers, etc. But for now, we're just going to build a form, get people to fill it out, get it to auto populate. That is the idea. So here it is. See? Great. Based on your requirements, I've created a plan for property management lead qualification system with quiz scoring and a pipeline tracking. Does this look right? Or would you like me to make any adjustments? So you can just go to see details, boom. And it's pretty detailed. So you're going to want to read through that and see if that's what it is, right? If that's everything you need. And this is the time to tell it if it's not right. So I'm just going to give it a little look there. That looks good. Yes. So the pipeline, yes. Okay. So we're just going to go build it. And again, Airtable's just going to do this by itself. It's amazing what AI can do now. I'm thrilled. I love to play with it, to be honest. So here it is. You can see it's called a lead qualification tracker. Um, and I just did that by asking ChatGPT to build me a prompt. I was just talking to it about this, about building something in Tally. So I just asked it, hey, I want to make this quiz and I want it to automate into Airtable, like, and then you kind of get specific about other things that you want it to do, and it'll bust out some answers for you. So this was just a list, really, from our conversation that I took, and I popped into Omni here. Build better together. Oh, see, yeah, so it did it. See, and it puts some data in there so that you can kind of use that if you want, um, if you want to. So you can invite people by copying this link, getting people, or invite by email. You can invite people to the database to help you with it if you have a team. Um, so you're probably wondering, does it work? Well, let's find out if it does. It auto-populates with this information. It gives you a little explanation too. Once it's built, it kind of gives you an explanation of how it goes. Uh, you can take a quick tour here. You can customize it, ask for changes, remove sample data. So this is just all in there because it shows you that it's working. So I like to remove the sample data. It will do that, and then you can play with it and make sure it works the way you want it. Sample data has been removed. It has not been removed, but that's okay because you can just go, you can just click on here. Yeah, Control A will go select all. Sorry. Or you can just click up here, actually selects all, and then you go backspace, clear data, clear data. Because there was a pause, Omni couldn't remove the data. So now we want to form a lead capture form, and look at that. It made that as well, which is super cool, right? So you won't be able to test this. Let's get this out of the way. You won't be able to test this until you publish it. So you do want to, sorry, I just want to see that a little better. So the asterisks are fields that they have to select or have to answer, right? So yeah, so that starts it. Now we will have to go to Tally and create a form in there as well. But let's go ahead. You can add a cover image to this if you want. You can add a logo if you want. You just browse your files, desktop. For me, it would be here and my logo. So we'll just upload that to there. Super simple. And there it is. I'm not going to do a cover image. And then we're just going to go publish. And if you, yep, it'll open it so that you can take a look. So you can share this because we do want anyone on the web to be able to access it. We do that. You put anyone on the web. There are, of course, other options. And you can require a password. You can copy the link here to share it to someone, or you can copy the embed code and use that. We'll come back to that though. So let's just see if it works, right? Let's try filling it out. Heather H at propertyops.com, let's say. We'll just put that in, company portfolio, pop, unit count, let's just say. Rent tracking. So like rent increase tracking, do you do that? It's fair, honestly. Lead response time, sometimes it's 24 to 48 hours. Like, so they just fill these out. Vacancy with full visibility partial. Oh, maintenance tracking, manual, um, data centralization, you like not centralized. Reminder system, none. So, and then they're going to hit submit. So that's it. It's just a quick pain point quiz. It takes seconds, 30 seconds to fill out. They submit. Thank you for submitting your form. You can change this as well, which is great. So let's go back to view data. It's just going to give us the data in a minute and see. There it is. It's auto-populated. So when I share that form, I can share that form to you. You can fill it out and I'm going to get your information here, which is great because I'm going to follow up with you to see if I can help you at all.